All right, Dad. We're at, I can't get the idle thing sorted out. That's slow she'll idle. I've played around with that fuel screw here and there and not get anywhere with it, but as far as getting it slower, but I'm going to crank it up to PTO speed, which is looks like around 1950 or so, just a shade under 2000. I have it in high gear going up this driveway. In the past I could only pull first gear realistically in high gear, so we'll see what she does now with the new ignition on it. It seems to be running a lot stronger. Mist is gone. It's she's just purring right now. As if they purring like a kid. I'm gonna put the phone down real quick so you're not gonna get a video.